If you're a student stuck with no job, a homemaker who wants to support your family, or someone tired of job rejections and false promises, this video might just be your turning point. And even if it doesn't work out for you, the $12.97 you spend is fully protected with a solid 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Now just imagine this. What if the same phone you use to scroll reels or binge-watch shorts could quietly become your income source? A tool that lets you make money while doing almost nothing techie or risky? I'm talking about turning just 15 minutes of setup into a system that can bring in passive commissions daily. No laptop, no products, and no need to show your face anywhere. In today's video, we're talking about something genuinely fresh, which is called the Freedom Blueprint. It's a plug-and-play tool made for people like you and me, not some fake guru trick. It's simple, it's clear, and most importantly, it's not a scam. Let me break it down for you and show how it might be the thing that finally works. Freedom Blueprint is clear in what it's offering. Have a look. Instant setup, instant earnings. Just tap and launch your income streams directly from your phone in minutes. Daily commission drops. Start earning $20 to $200 per day through done-for-you affiliate links, offers, and passive traffic. No tech, no experience. You don't need any skills, websites, or products. The system is preloaded and AI-powered. 100% autopilot income. From digital commissions to high-ticket payouts, everything runs while you sleep. Pay once, profit forever. No monthly charges or hidden upsells. Just a tiny one-time investment to unlock lifetime earnings. All these heavy promises, and this is how smooth the system operates and generates daily income for you. Have a look. Step 1. Activate and launch. Open the Freedom Blueprint dashboard. Tap once and instantly activate your done-for-you income streams. Step 2. Plug and share. Copy your unique links and share them on social media, WhatsApp, or anywhere your audience hangs out. No selling needed. Step 3. Collect and grow. Sit back and watch commissions, passive payouts, and daily earnings flow in. Everything runs 24/7 on autopilot. The best part? The app is priced at just $12.97, a one-time payment, no monthly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund, no questions asked. Is this the thing you need? If you want to earn passive income just by tapping your phone with zero skills, no experience, and no laptop needed, and make up to $500 daily through automated affiliate commissions and digital income streams, then Freedom Blueprint is the tool you need to get started with right now. Anyways, this deal won't last forever and prices may rise soon. So if it seems like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links in the description.